We're finally on this planet.
Oh gosh! Where are we?
It's my hometown.
Look at the acorn!
Yeah, lots of acorns.
It's this town. Wait up for me, guys. It's a giant acorn!
We don't have time for the acorns. We have to get all the supplies.
Because we can make acorn soup. Acorn.
No, we're not making acorn. We're not making any acorn sandwiches. No, we're not making any acorn sandwiches. You can't make sweatshirts out of acorns anyway. No, we can't wear acorns as shoes. That does not make any sense at all.
Now lift it up.
Say goodbye to your ship.
Holy fish sticks! The ship is leaving. Fire!
Oh no, I can't get up here.
Anybody remember when I carried a nuclear wormhole? No, never come.
It's not right.
Wait, Mr. Postman.
Keep singing, maybe it'll come back to me.
I wish I could come here every day, but it's not healthy for me, even though it's so good.
Ha! With Mando's ship, I could finally get some Bob's Heroes burger.
Mando sent me for Spider-Man and a burger too.